Okay, so good morning, everybody. Here we are at the west end of Vancouver, BC. And this bathroom, we're gonna do demolition here because it's gonna be renovated to something more modern. So, everything's still really good. It's just that I need something better. So this is gonna go, all the crown molding, the light fixtures. Oh, look at this guy ready to demo. Be careful. So shower is gonna go, tiles, heated floor, tiles are gonna go, all the baseboard, shower door styles, and mirror. The king's chair is gonna go. Hey, that's the king's chair. King's chair, that's the throne. It even has child-proof. How do you operate that thing? There you go. So anyways, we're gonna be here probably in a few hours. So we got everything, see, taken care of. Carpet protection. Doors are, the bed is covered with brand new sheets, tarp, and everything's protected. Okay, so also this wooden thing's gonna go.
I can check them off here.
Yeah, it's I don't want to say that. Yeah. So yeah.
They're nice, but I mean,
yeah.
a little extra for trying to save everything.
Okay, so yeah, so chuck it. Oh, over here?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna ask her first. Hold on.
Okay. I'll just leave it here.
Yeah. Okay, so see this guy already working without my permission. Huh? That's what I like. Okay, so this is Castro's General Contracting, 778-891-4017. Those, Jeremy, you just bend them. Bend them. All the way. All the way. Oh, Superman.
I'm so used to unclipping
Yeah.
them.
Okay, so we're gonna be here a while.